I've heard of magistrates courts and I've heard of crown courts. What's the difference?
There are broadly three types of offences that can be heard in criminal courts. First, summary only, very low-level offences, things like driving offences. And then there are more serious offences that can be dealt with either in the magistrates court or the crown court. They're called either way offences for that reason, okay? And that's things maybe like burglary. The very serious offences have to be dealt with in the crown court. They can't be dealt with ever in the magistrates court. In the magistrates court, you have a professional judge or two or three, they call them lay magistrates, and they decide on the law and also they decide on what happened, the facts. They decide whether you're guilty or not guilty. In the crown court, well, the judge decides the law, but the jury decide whether you did it or not. They're not allowed to decide whether this offence qualifies as murder or not, but they or what the definitions are of a certain type of offence, or whether certain evidence should be allowed to be taken into account. That's for the judge to decide. And then they hear the evidence and they decide factually, is this person telling the truth or not? Did you do it? Didn't you do it? Does your alibi stack up or not? That type of thing. In the magistrates court, the powers of sentencing, that's how long you can be sentenced to prison, for example, are very low. Mm-hmm. If the magistrates decide that, having heard all the evidence and it's an offence that could have been heard in the Crown Court, that really they can't sentence you to long enough, they'll send you to the Crown Court for sentencing if you've been convicted.